Want to know the secret behind that creamy cafe-style foam? The secret is often the frother. Today, we're looking at some of the best milk frothers available right now, each with its own unique strengths. By the end, you'll know exactly which top-rated milk frother might be the perfect fit for you. And remember, links to current prices are in the description box below. Let's start with the Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother, a handheld model that has become a staple in countless homes. When you first hold it, you'll notice how lightweight and intuitive it feels, making it incredibly easy to control. Unlike bulkier countertop models, this frother gives you the freedom to froth directly in your mug or pitcher, which saves time and reduces cleanup. The stainless steel whisk spins rapidly, creating a cloud-like foam in seconds, and because you control the angle and depth, you can experiment with different textures, from silky microfoam for lattes to airy bubbly foam for cappuccinos. This flexibility is one of the biggest benefits. You're not limited to just milk either, as it works beautifully with cream, matcha, or even protein shakes. As you use the Zulay frother, you'll appreciate how quickly it integrates into your morning routine. There's no waiting for a machine to heat up or cycle through settings. You simply dip it in, press the button, and watch as your drink transforms. The motor is powerful enough to achieve cafe-quality froth without being overly loud, so you can enjoy a peaceful morning ritual. Because it's battery operated, you're not tethered to an outlet, which means you can take it with you when traveling or even use it outdoors for a picnic coffee setup. It's no wonder many users consider it among the top-rated frothers for convenience and portability. Do you usually go for a latte or a cappuccino when you make coffee at home? I'd love to know which style of foam you prefer. Cleaning is another area where this frother shines. Since the whisk is stainless steel, you can just rinse it under running water and it's ready for the next use. The compact size also means it slips easily into a drawer or can be stored upright on a stand if you prefer. If you've ever thought that creating cafe-style foam at home was complicated, this tool will prove you wrong. Many coffee lovers call it the best milk frother for everyday use because it combines simplicity, speed, and versatility all in one. Now, moving on to the Instant MagicFroth, which is a countertop electric frother designed to give you more options and control. Right away, you'll notice the sleek stainless steel pitcher, which feels sturdy and professional in your hands. With its 9-in-1 functionality, this frother goes beyond the basics, offering both hot and cold, frothing, steaming, and multiple foam textures. This means you can switch effortlessly between a creamy hot chocolate on a winter evening and a refreshing iced latte with cold foam in the summer. The real magic here is in the induction heating system, which ensures your milk is heated evenly without scalding. You'll taste the difference in the smoothness of your drinks as the milk stays sweet and balanced rather than developing that burnt flavor that can happen with less precise machines. The pitcher is generously sized at 17 ounces, so you can prepare multiple drinks at once, making it perfect for entertaining or for families who want their morning coffee together. This versatility is why many people see it as one of the best rated milk frother options on the market. When you use the Instant MagicFroth, you'll appreciate the intuitive controls. The Smart Touch panel makes it easy to select your desired setting, and the machine takes care of the rest. It automatically shuts off once the milk reaches the right temperature, so you don't have to hover over it. The foam it produces is dense and velvety, clinging beautifully to espresso for lattes or layering elegantly for cappuccinos. It's the kind of foam that makes every sip feel indulgent and places this model among the top-rated frothers for those who want variety in their drinks. Cleaning is also straightforward, as the stainless steel pitcher is dishwasher safe. That means you can enjoy your drinks without dreading the cleanup. If you're someone who values both versatility and consistency, this frother delivers on both fronts, giving you the tools to experiment with a wide range of beverages while maintaining professional quality results every time. What kind of drink would you try first with a frother that can do both hot and cold foam? I'm curious what comes to mind for you. Next, let's talk about the SMEG Retro Milk Frother, a product that immediately stands out with its iconic 1950s inspired design. If you place this on your countertop, it doubles as both a functional appliance and a statement piece. But it's not just about looks. Inside, you'll find advanced induction heating technology that ensures your milk is warmed and frothed evenly, creating a luxurious texture that feels like it came straight from a high-end cafe. The SMEG Frother offers multiple preset programs, so you can choose exactly how you want your milk prepared. Whether you're in the mood for a dense cappuccino foam, a silky latte microfoam, or even just warm milk for hot chocolate, the settings are tailored to give you consistent results. The benefit here is precision. You don't have to guess or experiment endlessly because the machine has been engineered to deliver the right texture and temperature for each drink. As you use it, you'll notice how quiet and smooth the operation is. The induction system not only heats efficiently, but also prevents milk from sticking or burning at the bottom of the jug, making cleanup a breeze. The jug itself is removable and dishwasher safe, which saves you time and effort after each use. The handle feels solid and comfortable, giving you the confidence to pour with control and elegance. What you'll love most about the SMEG is the sensory experience it creates. The foam it produces is rich and creamy, with a texture that enhances every sip of your coffee or hot chocolate. Combined with the retro aesthetic, it turns your daily coffee ritual into something that feels both indulgent and stylish. With its combination of performance and design, it's often highlighted as a top-rated milk frother for those who want both function and flair. It's also considered one of the best milk frothers for people who see their kitchen appliances as part of their home's personality. Now, let's move to the Nespresso Aeroccino, a compact and elegant frother that has become a favorite for those who want simplicity without sacrificing quality. The first thing you'll notice is its sleek, minimalist design that takes up very little space on your counter. Despite its small size, it delivers consistently excellent foam, making it ideal if you want cafe-style drinks but don't have the space for a larger machine. The Aeroccino is designed for ease of use. With just one button, you can create either hot or cold froth, giving you flexibility for both warm lattes in the morning and iced cappuccinos in the afternoon. The froth it produces is smooth, dense, and stable, holding its structure beautifully on top of your coffee. Because the process is automatic, you don't need to worry about timing or technique. The machine handles it all for you. As you use it, you'll appreciate how quickly it works. In just a few seconds, your milk is transformed into a velvety foam, ready to pour. The non-stick interior makes cleaning simple, requiring just a quick rinse after use. It's the kind of appliance that integrates seamlessly into your daily routine, saving you time while still giving you that luxurious coffeehouse experience at home. The Aeroccino is also incredibly quiet, so you can prepare your drinks without disturbing others in the house. Its compact size makes it portable, and it pairs perfectly with Nespresso machines but works just as well alongside any espresso maker. It's widely considered one of the best-rated milk frother choices for people who want effortless results, and it consistently ranks among the best milk frothers for compact kitchens. If you've ever tried the Aeroccino, did you use it more for hot foam or cold foam? Let me know because I'm always curious how people fit it into their routines. Finally, let's explore the Breville Milk Café, a frother that takes your home coffee setup to a whole new level. This is a larger, more advanced machine designed for those who want complete control over their milk frothing. The first thing you'll notice is the brushed stainless steel build, which feels robust and professional. It operates using induction heating, which distributes heat evenly and gently, preserving the natural sweetness of the milk while creating microbubbles for that perfect, silky texture. One of the standout features is the interchangeable frothing discs. You can choose the cappuccino disc for a thicker, airy foam, or the latte disc for a smoother, creamier texture. This flexibility allows you to tailor each drink to your exact preference, and it's a feature that really sets the Breville apart. The measuring cap in the lid also makes it easy to add ingredients like cocoa powder or chai mix directly while frothing, opening up endless possibilities for creative drinks. When you use the Breville Milk Café, you'll appreciate the adjustable temperature control. Unlike most frothers that offer preset options, this one lets you choose the exact heat level. So whether you want a piping hot cappuccino or a gently warm milk for hot chocolate, you're in complete control. The automatic shutoff ensures safety and consistency, so you never have to worry about overheating. Cleaning is refreshingly simple, as the stainless steel jug is dishwasher safe. The generous capacity also means you can prepare multiple servings at once, making it perfect for families or for entertaining guests. The foam it produces is luxurious, with a texture that rivals what you'd find in a specialty cafe. It's no surprise that the Breville Milk Café is often considered a top-rated frother for serious coffee enthusiasts, and many reviews call it the best milk frother for anyone who wants barista-level customization at home. So, that's our look at some of the best milk frothers available right now. Each one offers something unique, whether it's simplicity, versatility, or full barista-level control. Links to the current prices are in the description box below, so check them out and see which one feels right for you. Whichever you choose, you'll be adding a little cafe magic to your everyday coffee.